Halimbawa, mali yung nakuha kong information, so magsosorry na lang ako, Mr. Chair. Pwede naman ako magsorry kung mali eh. Hindi na habulin ko na lang yung tao ko, yung kaibigan ko na nagsabi sa akin ng gano'n. Bakit mo sinabi ito? Mali pala. Kasi gusto ko lang makatulong talaga eh. I wanted to be wrong kung mali talaga. But you have to prove me wrong. Government to government, hindi nga dapat mangyari yung pumunta nga. Andun nga yung tangke, mga tangke ng dalawang refineries. Rotterdam refineries produces, I think, 1.2 billion barrels. Yes, per day. At nandun ang kanilang tangke sa Singapore. Petronas also, andun ang tangke nila. Ayun po yung kanilang presyo. No, nobody is reacting to this. Pinag-uusapan natin yung problema at ang mga measures na gagawin natin without even going back and checking whether those data are valid or not. So, paano yung replacement cost? I already told you, kung papayagan natin yon after 3 weeks or after 2 weeks, 3 billion pesos per day. Did you check this? You say?
Okay.
No, did you check that is 3 billion pesos per day ang income? Pireset ko kanina.
But the collection this week was also used to purchase the level, even higher level of products.
Kinuha mo na kagad kasi dapat sana there should be a point where the replacement cost should begin. Saan ba magsisimula? The inventory should end where the replacement cost should begin. Ang nangyayari, ito nga, binil nyo na kagad ang taong bayan, 110 kagad, 2 weeks, nandun pa ang binenta ninyo, sarili nyong inventaryo. So, it is the public, it is the poor public. Ayan si Mr. Boss, ano ang pangalan mo? Si Mr. Balbuena kanina pa naglulupasay. So,
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, we're not saying that that is right in the business the way it's
but
now
you are not
deregulated.
answering my question, Director. Eh. Sagutin mo muna eh. Is the 3 billion pesos per day? 1 month lang ito eh. So per day ito, 3 billion.
Yes, Mr. Chair. If the perspective, because it's a matter of perspective, if the perspective is to ensure that the 7 days used up this week will be replaced by next week immediately, then the oil company has to collect that level of collection to be able to purchase the 7 days replacement. So we can always go back to the 45 to 50 days supply. But if the perspective, again, if the perspective is you want to use up the 53 before you replace it, and that is very dangerous, then I think we can exhaust the 53 at that lower price. But the problem is if they're gone and the collection is very low, you can no longer replace the 53 days. So it's really that's how they're explaining also on Caltex was also explaining that in the same way.
No, but
We're not
you're proceeding from the wrong premise. Ang sinasabi ko mulat-mula pa, ang pinag-uusapan ninyo yung maps and indicators coming from the Argus. Okay? Yun ang basis ng replacement cost. Okay? Ito yung spot market ninyo, itong trading floor ninyo. Ang sinasabi ko, after 2 weeks pa lang, and considering na meron pa kayong 46 days and 53 days for diesel and gasoline respectively, kumulekta na ng 3 billion, kumita na ng 3 billion pesos per day, which was bankrolled by the people themselves. This is the irony. Ngayon, ano yung role ninyo in the period of emergency and national interest is involved already? Ba't ang pinag-uusapan pa natin replacement cost na kagad? Ito muna ang sagutin ninyo. Is it reasonable? Is this reasonable? In 2 weeks' time?
Mr. Chair, again, it's a matter of perspective. When the law says that we may direct the operation, we have to be mindful of again, on price. We have to be mindful of allowing the oil company to be able to replace it on a weekly basis.
Okay. Isara natin ang argumento. Did you check the oil companies? Kinuha nyo yung document? Kanino nila binili? Makikita nyo ba kung magkano binili? Did you check that? Have you done that?
not in that
Paano mo sasabihin ngayon? Katungkulan nyo ngayon, if you are screening, if you are monitoring, okay, sabihin na natin replacement cost. Halika kayo mga kaibigan. Pwede nyo bandalin yung inyong mga ICPO. Tingnan natin kung saan nyo binili. Binili natin kay ganito, ito po yung presyo. Ganito. At least chinek natin. Now I am asking you, nag-check, sabi nyo hindi. So ano yung monitoring? This is the frustration, Mr. Chair. Salamat po.